Alright, today we're going to do a brief demonstration of how to connect the telemetry module to the DMC 3000. The DMC 3000 can accept several modules, including the neutron, beta, as well as the telemetry module. All three of these modules connect to the DMC 3000 through its rear battery compartment that you can see here. So, step one is to remove the battery compartment. You can do so with the two screws you can see here. Once unscrewed, simply lift off. And at this point, it's important to point out that you need what is called the telemetry connector, which is right above the battery, and in this version it is not present. So let's show you a version where the telemetry module is present. You can see it just right here above the battery. This connector is necessary to connect any of the modules to the DMC 3000. So next, you take your telemetry module, locate the groove on the front of the DMC 3000, hook on, and fold back to connect. Take your screwdriver and reattach the two screws at the back for a secure connection. And finally, to turn on your DMC 3000 and telemetry module, simply hold down the plus button for 3 seconds, wait for the word enter to appear, and then hit the minus button. Once turned on, you'll be able to see the telemetry connector icon appear in the top right corner of the screen, indicating you've made a successful connection with the telemetry module. And that's how you connect the DMC 3000 to the telemetry module.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.